What's happening, everybody? Okay, so listen, there are some things that when I'm craving it, I just have to have it right now. And I don't need a great big huge amount of anything. I just want like a small little taste, right? Give an example of is chocolate cake. Okay, so whenever I need that bite of chocolate cake, I need something sweet, I want it now. So this is a perfect recipe for a chocolate mug cake. I can make it in a coffee cup just like this. Okay, it's seriously, it only takes about a minute for this to make. All right, so I'm starting out with half a cup of flour because I don't just want to make one, I want to make two. Because what's better than one? A quarter cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder right here. Half of a teaspoon of baking powder because I still want it to puff up and get really nice and fluffy. I'm going to put a pinch of kosher salt, which is about a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter cup of sugar right there, and I'm going to whisk it up all really well incorporated. Okay, I'm going to get all of this dry stuff mixed up really well and uniform. And the whisk will also help to break up any lumps that there may be. All right, here we go. So to this mix, I'm going to add half of a cup of milk, just like that. I'm going to add a quarter cup of olive oil. Why? Well, because olive oil kind of lends a little bit of a fruitiness to it, so it gives another flavor, another depth of dimension. Right here. Perfect. Okay, whisk all that up together too. And one of the things that's really good, one of the most complementary flavors that goes with chocolate is nothing else but coffee. Coffee is fantastic. And yes, this is cold, this is from this morning, but there's nothing wrong with it. So I'm gonna pour roughly about a tablespoon of coffee. That looks about right. Right into the batter. You can use vanilla if you want to. You can use almond, which is so delicious. I like to go coffee because I want super chocolate, rich, I mean, just decadent. So this is what the batter looks like here. I need to mix it all together, so it's gonna be a little bit wet, but that's fine. You wanna get it all really super well in. Look at that. Okay, are you ready for this? This is so super cool. All right, like I said, what's better than one? Two. Okay, into my cups, I'm gonna pour half of the batter. So I'm gonna stop right there, come along here, pour about, for the same length of time really, because I'm not exactly very exact. And then I'll just go back and top it off just a little bit with half of what's left in the bowl. And in this cup as well, scrape more down the sides. Bingo. Ah, I don't want to drop this glass bowl. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So this is going to go off to the side, ready for licking later. So here we are. 2 beautiful cups of chocolate cake mix. And you can't really see inside, but that's it, just a third of the way. So what I want to do is take about a tablespoon of hazelnut spread and just drop it right in the center. Don't mix it in, anything else, just drop the hazelnut spread right there inside, okay? I'm a bit of an overdoer. I kind of go a little far, which is fine. Now I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of, this one's a little bit more than a tablespoon, so, you know, like that, drop it in. Okay, one at a time, going in the microwave. Here we go. So it's gonna be 70 seconds, starting 1 minute, 10 seconds. And during this time, you can, you know, find any pieces of chocolate that you may have dropped, lick the bowl, wash your hands, or sit here drooling in anticipation, just like I am. I cannot wait. I made this recipe the other night. It's absolutely fantastic. I love it so much. I didn't do it with the hazelnut spread, and I didn't do it with the chocolate chip, but today I'm feeling a little bit extra, so I figured I'm just gonna go for it, right? However, going to get another spoon, so bear with me. I needed a big spoon, because I'm gonna take big bites. All right, so while that's still going, it's got 20 seconds left, I'm gonna get a special topping. About 5 minutes ago, and this is a Swiss meringue. Look at that, how fluffy it is. It's egg whites, sugar, cream of tartar, just a little bit of lemon zest, and a splash of vanilla. So that is beauty. Look at it. Doesn't fall, it doesn't move. Isn't that cool? There we go. All right. Oh, it tastes so good. Timer just went off. Cake fluffed up so well. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Can you see the steam coming off of it? So cool, right? Okay, so I'm gonna write in another minute, 10 seconds. 110, start, boom. Waiting for that die. All right, so this is still very hot, but it's perfect to top with the meringue, because I told you I'm going a little extra today, because every day is a great day to treat yourself. Every day is a great reason to smile, because your mission on earth is not done. And since you're doing so many good things and so much good work, you might as well reward yourself, right? Second, I'm gonna get my buddy Torchy right here. I'm just gonna give it a really nice, turn on the gas. Give it a light toast. There you go. Check it out. Look at this. Perfect snack. Perfect for watching a movie, for after dinner, for whatever it is that you want to do. Okay. Moment of truth. Look at that. Oh man, this is so good. You can see the steam. Microwave chocolate cake with toasted Swiss meringue, all homemade. So it's a good thing that I make two. I don't want to share. I have one for now. And another one for after dinner tonight. The chocolate is so rich. It's so creamy and decadent, but it's not cloyingly sweet. And the Swiss meringue on top of it just gives it that really nice puff that, you know, it's light and it's airy, and it just adds to the lightness of the texture of the cake. So there you go. Microwave chocolate cake in less than 3 minutes. Add homemade Swiss meringue, nice little topping. So treat yourself. You guys, treat yourself. All right. I love you. God bless. Enjoy. Rock the day.